Hi traders, welcome back. This is Barry Burns with Professional Trade Strategies videos, 3 to 5 simple steps on how you can trade like the pros. So let's get started with today's lesson. Remember, these videos are only 5 minutes or less, so you got to really focus and pay attention. I'm going to go through it fast, but fortunately, because it's a video, you can go back and replay. So if you're a stock trader, forex trader, options trader, or futures trader, today's lessons does apply to you. Also, if you're day trading, swing trading, position trading, or investing, again, today's lesson applies to you. So let's get started with today's Trade Strategies of the Pros video, how to determine the trend with high probability. 4 steps. Number 1, use a long-term trend indicator. That's step 1. By the way, you have to use a long-term indicator because trend is defined as the extended general direction of the market, long-term. Step 2, look for momentum. Very important, the direction of the market is not enough to get a high probability trade. Step 3, look for volume. Again, momentum and volume together, they help provide that you have a strong trend instead of a weak trend. And strong trends are the ones that follow through in your directions, make sure the trend doesn't fail and turn against you. Number 4, count your waves. That makes sure you get early in the trend and you don't overstay your welcome. All right, so let's look at a chart. And first of all, step 1, use a long-term direction indicator. I like to use the 50-period simple moving average. It's a commonly used moving average, has a self-fulfilling prophecy to it because so many people use it. Also, it is long-term. It's the black line. You can see here it goes up and then sideways and then resumes up again. This is an intraday chart, by the way. So in the middle of the day, there is lunchtime, and that's why things calm down. So we're going to be trading in the direction of the 50-period simple moving average, meaning the angle of the moving average and also whether we're above or below it. That's just the direction, though. That doesn't tell if it's a strong or weak trend, so then we have to look at 2 things, momentum and volume. There's volume down at the bottom, and then right above it, we'll have momentum as well. Notice the purple horizontal line with the momentum indicator. That's the 0 line. That shows we have no momentum. So volume's low, momentum's low, price is just kind of moving sideways. That's because that's during lunchtime. Now, I love to take trades right out of lunchtime, and here's a good example. Notice how volume picks up at the bottom, momentum picks up dramatically, and the range of your price bars pick up as well. So now we start a new strong trend, and also, of course, the 50-period simple moving average is angling up. That's our directional indicator. That's a great trade that I always look to take every single day. Now, how long do we stay in this trade? That's the next question. Well, count your waves. That's step 4. The average trend is 5 waves. And I'm not talking about Elliott waves. We want a very objective way to measure waves. So here's what I do. I'll take a horizontal line such as this, and I'll draw it across the first high there. So that'll be wave 1. Now, wave 2 will have to be not just a higher high, but a real body of the candlestick. In other words, the green or the red area has to be higher than that initial high. And so there's wave 1, and then there's wave 3. So we have a real body above the high of wave 1. In between wave 3 and 1, of course, is wave 2. That'd be the lowest low. After wave 3, we've got wave 4, and then wave 5 finishes up, and that's about the time that I want to get out of the market. So that's all there is to it, and that's about the time I'm going to exit. So remember, there's 4 simple steps. 1, use a long-term trend indicator. 2, look for momentum. 3, look for volume. 4, count your waves so you don't overstay your welcome. And that's it. So these professional trade strategies of the pros videos provide 3 to 5 simple steps so you can trade with the pros. Try to keep them short and sweet, simple. They go pretty fast, but if you watch the video a couple of times, you'll get it. So to get more of these professional trade strategies of the pros videos, sign in now, include your name, your email, and the next time that I do a video, I'll send you a quick little email and let you know.